Yo, what's up, guys? Sequena here. So today's Tuesday. Let's see what this day has for us. As yesterday we had a big winner. Our only trade just went into deep profits. So let me see where I could possibly enter today. I see that the market is actually telling us that it's about to buy. So let me just take my Fibonacci tool. Let me just put it right there to see where the market actually could be cheaper to buy, because you have to understand that you buy low, you sell high. You buy when things are cheap. So price is at exactly where my entry criteria is. So I'll definitely put my entry point there. And my other tool which shows that I'm in a buy. So yeah, I'm executing definitely, guys, here, with my stop loss being very small. Okay, TP is actually just way higher there. So yeah, let me undo this. Okay, so yeah, definitely executed on this trade. TP is way higher there. Don't know the exact point because I'm looking at the times, and before I exit I look at if the market is changing direction and whatsoever. So that's what's gonna tell me if whether I should exit or not. So I can't really say where will I exit because I just trade to adapt to the markets. So yeah, so I see this level right here on my horizontal line. So I don't know if I should move my stop loss to this level, make it 26 pips, which is still small. So I think that's where I'll make it 26 pips. See you in the next upload. Trade update, guys. We're actually in deep profits. Not deep though, because it's just like 50 pips, or I guess 50 to 90 pips of profits. Let's see how this market. Let me see how many pips actually this is. Just give me a moment. It's actually, let me see, 49 pips. See you on the next update. We'll keep you tuned. Yo, guys, so trade is actually back at break even, or rather our entry point. So we're still in a bit of profits, but just small pips, almost like 5 pips of profits. So basically we're at break even. I will definitely move my stop loss higher, because as the market went to break the nearest high, so I will also move my stop loss higher around about that level. So let me, my stop loss, I think I might move it just around that level. So let me put my alert there. Alert. So I'll see you in the next update. Deep into profits once again. Shout out, guys. So price is moving actually so nicely, so I'll keep moving my stop loss to the highest level. I'll keep trailing it. Trade management is good, guys. So I'm moving my stop loss to this. I'm trying to move it here. Let me delete this. So I'll move my stop loss to, this thing doesn't want to press. Oh no. Moving my stop loss to this level, basically moving my SL to break even, as price kept breaking the new highs. But we're moving nice now. I think this 100 pips. See you on the next update. We'll keep you tuned. Shout out. So guys, this was my yesterday's trade, which we only took one trade and it smashed our TP actually 300 pips. Super grateful for these trades. That's what we are aiming for, to get one trade, make money. So back to today. We still on the trade. We'll keep you updated. Yo, guys, so trade ended up taking us out to break even. So this was a risk-free trade. Although we could have closed at $80, but that was not, 80 pips, but that was not our initial target. So yeah, I see the market is currently rejecting where it is, so I might enter a buy, take my retry, because I didn't lose anything on the previous trade as it took me out break even. Yeah, so let's see what the market is doing at the current moment. I see that it actually rejected, then gave us an engulfing a bullish engulfing candle. So I will definitely see, let me see how many pips if I enter there, how many pips there is. 50, okay, 60. I'm willing to risk, because I didn't lose, as I said on the previous trade, so I'm willing to risk on this one. So okay, let me execute. Okay, just allow me a moment. So TP is still at the same level as although now it's just late London session. We only took one trade which took us out break even, went into deep profits, but ended up taking us out break even. Oh, new subscriber, Okoli Daniel, shout out, man, shout out. So yeah, we'll keep updating you guys how this trade goes about. Shout out, one love. Trade update, guys. So the market ended up taking me out actually instantly. See you guys on the New York session. Stay tuned on the video. We're still pushing. We are not done yet. The job is not done. We are still looking to enter more trades, see opportunities on the New York session. So stay tuned. Probably late New York session I'll be back. Yeah, shout out, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. Yo guys, back again, New York session. So what happened in the London session, we took one break even and one loss. So this was the break even trade which went into deep profits, and this was the other trade which just instantly took us out. So one break even, one loss. So what I see now, I see almost like a head and shoulder pattern potentially here. So yeah, allow me to just use my support level. So I see this zone here which is acting like a head and shoulder pattern. So yeah, so this is the New York session, as I said. So this would be our first trade. We have two trade criteria, two trade opportunities. We can take two trades according to my trading plan, but I think I might just take one depending on if the trade takes us out instantly or not. So if I enter now, it will be how many pips? 60 pips. But I think I just want to enter around this level, so I'll just put my alert here in this zone. If price comes there, that's when I'll enter. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna trade for the New York session, so I'll look for other entries. Let me use my Fibonacci tool to see when is price cheaper to buy. So yeah, I think around the same level. Of my alert. So once the market hits my alert, I will definitely show up to my chart. Yeah, let me put it right there. So if the market hits that level, I'll show up, take my trade, or rather see how the market is doing. Is it rejecting? After I see that it's rejecting, then I'll take my buy. So yeah, that's my view. I'll keep updating you guys. Shout out, please subscribe. Yo, trade update, guys. So the market actually ended up coming to our alert. Let me go to the 3-minute time frame. So I see that the market broke the high yeah, so I'm gonna execute as I said, here around this level. So let me execute. Let me take my tools. Where's my tool? This is my first trade on the New York session. As I said, the score of today, 1 break even, 1 loss. Let's see if this will be a break even, will it be a loss, will it be a TP hit? So we don't know that. We shall see about that. Yeah, just trying to make these videos as real as it gets. Hope you enjoy them. We'll keep updating you guys on how this trade goes about. Shout out. Yo guys, as you just saw, trade was deep into profits, went into break even. But let me upload this video. See you on the next episode. Shout out.